Welcome to my channel Master English Stories. Thank you for your support. Subscribe and share. Verb 2. Be. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Verb 2. Have. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Verb 2. Do. Do your homework. Do your homework. Do your homework. Verb 2. Say. Say hello to your friend. Say hello to your friend. Say hello to your friend. Verb 2. Get. Get some rest. Get some rest. Get some rest. Verb 2. Make. Make a sandwich for lunch. Make a sandwich for lunch. Make a sandwich for lunch. Verb 2. Go. Go for a walk in the park. Go for a walk in the park. Go for a walk in the park. Verb 2. Know. Know your own strengths. Know your own strengths. Know your own strengths. Verb 2. Take. Take a picture of the sunset. Take a picture of the sunset. Take a picture of the sunset. Verb 2. See. See the beautiful sunset. See the beautiful sunset. See the beautiful sunset. Verb 2. Come. Come to the party tonight. Come to the party tonight. Come to the party tonight. Verb 2. Think. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. Verb 2. Look. Look at the bright stars. Look at the bright stars. Look at the bright stars. Verb 2. Want. Want some ice cream. Want some ice cream. Want some ice cream. Verb 2. Give. Give me your phone number. Give me your phone number. Give me your phone number. Verb 2. Use. Use a pen to write. Use a pen to write. Use a pen to write. Verb 2. Find. Find your lost keys. Find your lost keys. Find your lost keys. Verb 2. Tell. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Verb 2. Ask. Ask a question. Ask a question. Ask a question. Verb 2. Work. Work hard to succeed. Work hard to succeed. Work hard to succeed. Verb 2. Seem. Seem like a nice person. Seem like a nice person. Seem like a nice person. Verb 2. Call. Call your mom later. Call your mom later. Call your mom later. Verb 2. Try. Try your best at the game. Try your best at the game. Try your best at the game. Verb 2. Need. Need some help with this. Need some help with this. Need some help with this. Verb 2. Ask. Ask for directions. Ask for directions. Ask for directions. Verb 2. Become. Become a better person. Become a better person. Become a better person. Verb 2. Leave. Leave the door open. Leave the door open. Leave the door open. Verb 2. Put. Put your shoes on the rack. Put your shoes on the rack. Put your shoes on the rack. Verb 2. Mean. Mean what you say. Mean what you say. Mean what you say. Verb 2. Keep. Keep the door closed. Keep the door closed. Keep the door closed. Welcome to my channel Master English Stories. Thank you for your support, subscribe and share.